2017 CBR600RR. Needs to be washed. Well, as you can see, I have my stock mirrors back on. Bar and mirrors are gone. Have them at home. I took them off. Stock ones came back on because of inspection. And I had my stock exhaust on also for the inspection, but I put my slip-on rack on, but I did a slight modification to my exhaust. It doesn't come out all the way anymore. Due to the slip-on melting my taillight a bit. So I shortened it a bit and left the heat shield on. Yeah, so if anyone is thinking about getting the HOTBODIES Stinger slip-on exhaust, be very careful, as to it will melt your tail light in time. Feels a lot better, I would say. I still have some engine braking, but it's very mild, which is very manageable. I like it. It's okay. Kind of, you know, makes me rethink my thoughts on engine braking. I think engine braking, I would say, is good to have, especially for street riding. So, and I do a lot of street riding. I don't track this thing, so engine braking is good. It accelerates a lot better. The bike is 10 times more fun. I did notice a difference with the stock exhaust on and the slip-on, and there is a difference. So if you get a slip-on, if you get an ECU flash, I recommend a slip-on exhaust at least. I also have my stock air filter in still. I haven't upgraded that yet to a high flow air filter, so that's due for a new one. picture of what happened to my tail light with the exhaust. As you can see, as you can, you know, kind of guess, like it sort of like did a lot of melting in the back of it. Like it turned into like a almost like a V melting thing. Yeah, I'll post a picture, or I'll put up a little quick short video on it, you know, right here. So yeah, it looks like that, you know. Yeah. What's next? What's planned? Nothing for a while. I spent a lot of money already this year to get, you know, the bike season pre-ready. Sounds nice. I like it. The quick shifter is amazing. So yeah, it's a quick update. Next week is the 11th. I will be riding up to Laconia with a couple of buddies, a couple of co-workers, and hopefully maybe I see some local heads there. See y'all there, man.